සුබ දවසක් පුතාලා දුවලා හැම දිනාටම දැන් පුතාලා දන්නවා these days we can't come to the school but we won't study well then for that I would like to give a small help for you. Then today I am going to introduce another new letter. Already we taught a, b, k, d, a, f, g, h, e, j. I think last letter j. Yes. Then today, first of all, see. Do you know these things? Do you know what is this? From this we can open the doors of the house, almirahs, cupboards, drawers. Key. What is this? This is a key. What is this? This is a key. Now see next one. I think you will like. Who are these? These are kittens. These are kittens. These are kittens. Very nice kittens. How many kittens can you see here? 2 kittens are here. Now see next one. We can fly in the sky, especially windy days. What is this? This is a kite. This is a kite. See next one. Who is this? It lives in Australia. It can hop. See, small kid also here hiding, no? Then this is a kangaroo. Who is this? This is a kangaroo. Now see next one. King. This is a king. This is a king. Kettle. This is a kettle. Now see, I told kettle, king, kangaroo, kite, kittens, key. Can you guess? Those pictures starting from which sound? What is this? This letter name is K letter. Sound is K. K sound. Can you remember K sound? Now see way of writing that K sound. First of all, we can draw line top to bottom. Then second lines like this. This is a formation. Line and we can come to this one and again going out. This letter is K, sound is K. Write in way of this. Please try to write this. First of all, write on the sand and on the air like this. Top to bottom line. K sound. Now shall we read this? I want long answers as a sentence. All please read after me. What is this sound? K. What is this sound? K. What is this letter? K. K letter, K sound. Now say one time. K for key. K for key. K for kittens. K for kittens. K for kite. K for kite. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. K for king. K for king. Those days I taught you King Dutugamunu, King Datusena, King Kashyapa, likewise King Yasalalakatissa, King Buddhadasa, King Vijaya, King Sri Vikramaraja Singha. I related small and very nice stories also. This is a king like that. This is a kettle. This is a kettle. If you want to make a cup of tea, this kettle will help us, but don't touch. Then I want long answer. Now first of all read after me. This is a kettle. What is this? This is a kettle. I can't hear. Say loudly. What is this? This is a kettle. What is this? This is a kettle. All should read with me. This is a king. Who is this? This is a king. Again. This is a king. Who is this? This is a king. We'll see next one. This is a kangaroo. This is a kangaroo. Again, this is a kangaroo. This is a kangaroo. Who is this? This is a kangaroo. We'll see next one. Especially boy is willing to fly this. This is a kite. What is this? This is a kite. Now these days, please take your help from your Appachi or Tata and try to make a kite. This is a kite. What is this? This is a kite. This is a kite. Wow! There are two kittens. These are kittens. Who are these? These are kittens. Who are these? These are kittens. I can't hear. These are kittens. Again, only one time. These are kittens. This is a key. What is this? This is a key. This is a key. What is this sound? K sound. What is this sound? This sound is K. K sound. This is a key. All say with me, not after me. Again. This is a key. These are kittens. These are kittens. This is a kite. This is a kite. What is the color of kite? Yellow. This is a kangaroo. It can hop. It lives in Australia. This is a king. This is a king. This is a kettle. This is a kettle. Now can you read? How can you remember? K sound. Now without this picture, try to read with me. Then what we learned today? K sound. What are the pictures? Can you remember? Please remind, will you? First of all, K for key. K for key. Then what else? What are the pictures? K for kitten. K for kitten. Then K for kangaroo. K for kite. Then what was there? K for king. K for kettle. Can you remember? K for key. K for kitten. K for kite. K for kittens. K for king. K for, what is that last one? Can you remember last one? Kettle. Then with another one of letter, next day I will come. Until that, please keep it in your mind, because I won't provide a worksheet for you. Then sometimes there will be a pictures. You have color, only K sound picture. You should have to trace the letter. Keep it in your mind and do well. Bye.